Welcoming you all to Arias News Channel. Top news headlines of this week are some school news. The school remains closed from 9 October to 12th October on the auspicious occasion of Dussehra. Some CBSE related news. CBSE Board Exams 2025, 75% attendance compulsory to appear for class 10th and 12th exams. CBSE announces class 10th and 12th practical exams date for winter-bound schools. Some national news. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh performs Shastra Puja at Sukhana Cantonment on Vijayadashmi. RG car case, more than 70 senior doctors of medical college sign mass resignation letter. Some international news. China's finance minister says room for economic stimulus but offers no plan. 35 incidents related to Durga Puja in Bangladesh since October 1 to 17 arrested. Some entertainment news. Vishwambhara teaser, Chiranjeevi files a Pegasus in epic adventure beyond the universe. Internet is unimpressed by VFX. India's richest filmmaker isn't from Bollywood, has $3.6 billion net worth, is richer than SRK, Aditya Chopra combined. Some sports news. Table tennis, Manav Thakkar ranked 60, Scarps world number 14, Korean Jang Hoojin, Manoj Shah banks world number 23. Women's T20 World Cup, India IBIG wins against injury-hit Australia. Some educational news. NTA SWAYAM July season 2024 registration begins at swayam.nta.ac.in. University of East Anglia offering multiple scholarships for Indian students. Some other news. Man's body found suffered in box and dumped in Maharashtra. Congress nubs Owaisi after take everyone along remark. That's all, let's meet after a break. Let's know more about the headlines mentioned earlier, starting with school news. The school remains closed from 9 October to 12th October on the auspicious occasion of Dussehra for all the classes and will reopen on 14th October. CBSE related news. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) in an official notice to principals heads of schools affiliated with CBSE reminded that all schools must strictly adhere to Rules 13 and 14 of the CBSE examination bylaws regarding student attendance for class 10th and 12th board examinations. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) has informed that practical examinations, projects, internal assessments for class 10th and 12th board examinations in winter-bound schools will be completed between November 5 and December 5, 2024. Some national news. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh performed Shastra Puja at Sukhana Cantonment in Darjeeling on the occasion of Vijayadashmi and celebrated the festival with army jawans. Over 70 senior doctors of the Medical College, Kolkata signed a mass resignation letter on Wednesday showing solidarity with the juniors on a fast till death demanding justice for the RG Car Hospital rape murder victim. International news. The Chinese government is looking at additional ways to boost the economy, Financial Minister Lan Foz said on Saturday, but he stopped short of unveiling a major new stimulus plan that analysts and stock investors were hoping for. 17 persons have been arrested and about a dozen cases registered after Bangladesh witnessed about 35 untoward incidents related to the ongoing Durga Puja celebrations across the country this month, police said here. Some entertainment news. On Dussehra, Chiranjeevi released the teaser of his upcoming film Vishwambhara with director Vasishtha, Trisha Krishnan, Ashika Ranghanan and Kunal Kapoor also star in the movie, which sees Chiranjeevi go on an epic adventure beyond the universe, as the makers put it. Indians film rake in crores and crores each year, and while the stars are always the face of these projects, it is the financials and the producers who end up making the most amount of money or losing it quite often. The richest filmmaker from India is a man who stays largely behind the camera and away from the limelight, and he has amassed wealth of $3.6 billion this way. Some sports news. India's world number 60 Manav Thakkar got his first ever top 15 scalp, beating Korea's top ranked player and world number 14 Jang Woo-jin 3 on 2. Their men's singles RD of 32 clash of Asian Championship on Saturday. When they play an injury hit Australia in their crucial Women's T20 World Cup encounter on Sunday in Sharjah, a confident India will look to seize control of their fate by achieving yet another victory that boosts their net run rate. Some educational news. The National Testing Agency (NTA) has started the registration for the study webs of active learning for young aspiring minds Swayam July 2024 semester exam at its official website. University of East Anglia is offering scholarship opportunities for Indian students across multiple programs. The scholarships will cover the tuition fees, accommodation, and living expenses of the entire academic program. Some other news. The body of an unidentified man estimated to be aged around 30 years old was on Friday found stuffed in a cardboard box and dumped amid roadside garbage along a stretch in Hingne Mala of Hadpasar. Congress on Saturday snubbed AIMIM chief Asauddin Owaisi for his recent "will have to take everyone along to defeat BJP" remark, saying the party will be against anyone who does politics on the basis of religion. That's all. Thank you and stay tuned with Harrius News Channel.